Did you know that most people will never be able to turn $100 into $1,000? They dream of making money in the markets, but in reality, they lose over and over again. Why? Because they trade based on emotions, they chase hype, they listen to random tips, and in the end, they burn their money. But here's the real secret. Wealthy investors don't win because they're lucky. They win because they follow a system that actually works. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. How to turn $100 into $1,000 using smart investing strategies that the top traders use every day. The best part? Anyone can do this, even if you're a complete beginner. So let's break it down step by step. The first mistake people make is trying to hit the jackpot in one trade. That's gambling, not investing. Instead, the key is small, consistent wins that compound over time. This is how pro traders grow their accounts without taking massive risks. They don't throw everything into meme stocks or random cryptos. They follow momentum. They look for assets that are already moving in the right direction, and they ride the wave. Now, how do you find those winning trades? You need data, not emotions. This is where most people fail. They guess, they gamble, they panic sell. Smart investors, they use tools, they track trends, they analyze where big money is flowing, they make data-driven decisions. That's why platforms like Ghostboard exist. Instead of trading blindly, it helps investors spot high-probability opportunities by tracking real-time market trends. So you're not just hoping, you're acting on real data. But back to the strategy. Once you find the right trades, the next step is risk management. Here's the truth. Even the best traders lose sometimes, but they never lose big. They follow a simple rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of their capital on a single trade. That way, even if they're wrong, they live to trade another day. And over time, those small wins stack up. $100 turns into $200, then $500, then $1,000. That's how wealth is built. No hype, no gambling, just a repeatable system that works. So the question is, are you going to trade smarter or keep playing the losing game? Let me know in the comments. What's your biggest struggle with investing? And if you want to start trading like the pros, check out ghostboard.net because information is power.